Hey guys, it's Isaac from Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved, we'll give you $100, and the $200 referral program, where if you bring somebody and they buy a vehicle over $4,000 and we know about it ahead of time, we will give you a $200 check. Today I've got a 2015 Ford Fusion SE, only 41,000 miles. We bought it about 40,000 miles. I put about 800 miles on this vehicle. Haven't had a single problem out of it. Driving it on the highway, I get over 40 miles to the gallon on the highway. Beautiful, bright red. It's a Carfax one owner ride. It's got a little 1.5 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost in it. It gets excellent gas mileage on it. You can see just a beautiful red. Drives great. Let's take a look inside. Got tan and black interior. The seats are in good shape. Got a little backup camera here for you. You got Sirius XM. You got lots of little storage. You got Microsoft Sync, which includes the Bluetooth. Got a little storage and some extra auxiliary and USB ports in there. You got, as you can see, no warning lights on the dash. 41,000 miles on it. So you can see the engine's running. It's just quiet and as smooth as all get out. Got all your little dome light features and sun glass rack up there. Beautiful car. Let's check out this back seat here. Again, beautiful tan and black interior. Got an additional little, looks like a cigarette port there for charging your phone if you're in the back seat. Huge trunk space. Looks like somebody had a stereo system they took out. Floor mats are in the back here. Just huge space, and those seats will lay down up there, giving you even more space in the trunk. You can see just great shape there. Carpet doesn't have a lot of wear. Just a little bit of coloring there. Power seats here, both on driver and passenger. Carfax one owner. It does have the books. They do come with it. Just a beautiful red. It does have factory powertrain warranty still on it. It does not have bumper to bumper as it's over 36,000 miles, but it does have powertrain, which will cover your engine and transmission, I believe, up to 60,000. A little EcoBoost engine. You can see, clean motor. Just a beautiful red car. You can see here on the panel, you got numbers that'll light up right there, so you can get into the vehicle without your key fob if you needed it. We'd love to get you approved on this car. You can go to mallardmotors.com and fill out an application. It only takes about 3 minutes to fill it out, and we can get you a credit approval right back on what it'd take to get you into this car. Just a beautiful red Fusion. All right, guys, get on the website, fill out an application. I'll get you approved on it. Remember, trust it up.